Hey, what's up guys? So I made the decision today that I'm going to start documenting my work on my Subaru Forester XT. It's a 2007 2.5 turbo with 5-speed. And this has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but basically I just got it done for a wash today. Wanted to start her fresh, and there's a little bit of work that needs to be done to get it to being a clean slate, but I will document that when I can. But there's, I have goals for it, dreams that you guys will probably find out later. And I'll do a walk around and kind of give you the history as I'm going. So this is her. I call her Boost Musubi. But pretty much stock 2.5 XT. I was in an accident a few years back, and this whole corner was like ripped off. It got ripped off by the side steps on a truck that kind of sideswiped me. But it was my fault. I take full responsibility. But I was able to get it to this point. It's a little bit out of line right here, so you'll probably see a video on that later, on me fixing it. But for the most part, she's stock. Yeah, it's actually my dream car. It took me a long time to source one, and then to actually buy it. I got it for a steal. I got it for $7,000 about 5 years ago, I believe. There's little dings and dents here and there from just people backing into me or people opening the doors on the car, but for the most part, she's in good condition. There are little rust spots, so I'm going to experiment with fixing that before I get it wrapped. But I do intend on getting it wrapped. But this is her. This is stock 5-speed turbo 2007 2.5 Forester XT. Yeah, that was the wheel that was on the other side, so that's a little messed up, but I want to keep stock wheels, and I'm probably going to just refinish them, get it back to normal. But this is my baby.
I'm gonna put my foot in your ass. Is that clear, dummy? Through your dirt.